Alright, welcome to the course once again. So today we are going to be exploring basic inputs and outputs in Python programming. Now, first of all, it's important to know that output generally in Python programming you use the print function to display an information, and also for the inputs we use the input function to take user inputs. So generally we use print to display an information, and we use the inputs to take the user input. Sorry about this. Alright, now let's see this example that we have in this part. It says name, inputs, enter your name, and let's run this. Let's try to run this on the machine. So Control V now. So here we have the name, which is a variable, right? The variable in this is used to hold or store data. So inputs, that is the inputs that the user will input. Now this is a placeholder. It says enter your name. Then this is the print, which says hello, then print name. The name here is the name that we are using here. Like whatever name we enter here is what will come out here. So let's run this and let's see how it will look like. So it says enter your name. So if I enter my name, right, and I press enter, so it says hello Kayode Codes, right? Hello Kayode, because that's the program. So let's go back and check it. So it says enter your name Kayode Codes. After entering Kayode Codes and I press enter, it shows the word hello Kayode Codes. So let's see how that is done. So name equals to input. Then we are going to imbibe the input function here. Then also we are going to now call the name here. It says hello, then call the name, and of course just like that. Now we can as well alter this to be, let's do enter your age, but rather than name we can change this to age, right? So age. Now we are changing this to age, we have to also change this to age. So sorry, so this is also age. So rather than say hello age, we're going to say I am years old, right? So let's run it and let's see what will happen. So it says enter your age. Let's enter 10, then enter. It says I am. Oh, so there's a mistake here. Let's take out the comma here. So let's run it again. So see. So it says enter your name. Let's say 10 years. Enter. It says I am 10 years old. Now there are some things you need to consider and take note of in this code, in this line of code. Now we have the age, which is the variable that stores the name that is being entered. Then we also have the print function that gives out the result and the outputs to the user. So it is important to note these marks, this here, the marks here. It is also important to look at this here. This is how you do this in Python. Now also the age, this age that we imputed here is what we called here. So we are calling the age that was entered here to automatically come into this place. So just as you've seen, it says enter age. If we write 10 and we press enter, so it says I am 10 years old. So that is that about basic input and output in Python programming. Thank you.